Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to promote Jvzoo products on Facebook, guys. So, if you're ready for this content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos right here on the channel, you get them automatically. All right, so first things first, guys, I'm going to showcase my results so you can at least know, hey, what he's doing is working. Then I'm going to show you how I got those results, and in this particular video it's going to be two different ways that I'm going to show you to be able to do this thing. All right, then at the end of the video, right, if you stick around to that to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how my #1 recommended tool that allows me to get into any company and dominate, and I wouldn't run my business without it. And I'm going to show you how to get it for free. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so let's show the results. I'm going to go to all time, and I'm going to show you what I've been able to do with this particular product. All right, so let me hit the refresh button. All right, whenever it loads, it's been a little bit slow right now, but once it does, I'll zoom in if I have to, but if not, okay, so yeah, I'll go ahead and zoom in. All right, so boom, you see this product right here, Audience Toolkit. Now here's my tip, my advice that I want to give you. So when it comes to products that you're selling on Jvzoo, my advice for you is to go after a product that solves a big problem. So the first word gives it away, audience. Every business owner or brand or anybody that wants to scale anything, they need eyeballs. So what this tool allows you to do is literally build a targeted list of people that are actually going to be interested in what it is that you're trying to offer. That's what this tool allows you to do. So think about every business owner needs targeted leads, because first off, if they don't have targeted leads, then they're just going to be talking or putting their message out in front of people who have no care to even join them or no care to even buy their product. So that's why this product alone solves a problem. So look for tools, because I've found that tools are what build wealth. All right, so let's go to the numbers, right? And this is the next important thing that you got to keep in mind. So there was 120 visitors to my specific link. So that means that for every 120 visitors, I make 23 sales. Okay, so this is why it's important to know your numbers, and this gives you a good amount of predictability, because now I know all I got to do is get a whole nother 120 people to see this, and I'm going to make another 23 sales. And then, you know, as that number continues to change, you'll see the more people come to your website, if it's going to take you more than 120, or is it going to still just continue to make you 120 people to hit your site for you to make that amount of sales. So keep in mind with your numbers, never forget about those. All right, so let's go over here. You can see I've made $504.50 with this one product. So that shows you that there is some demand behind this, because as I explained, all business owners want targeted leads. They don't want leads, washed up leads, or leads that don't want anything to do with what they're talking about. They don't want that. So this product is selling, and if I'm not mistaken, the last time I did a video and I showcased my results on this, it was 480 something bucks. So as you can see, it increased again, and it's going to continue to increase because business owners are seeing the value in this product. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how you actually promote a product now. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out just a little bit. All right, so here we go. So let's say you want to now promote a product. This is how you're gonna get your affiliate link. So you see this? Find products. Okay, so the way that this works on Jvzoo is you have to get approved. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to promote the Easy Sketch Pro Business. I would have to hit the request button, and look what it does, right? It's going to take you to another screen, and I'll just show you. All right, so boom, request permission. So in this box, you can put pretty much how you plan to promote it or whatever. You don't really have to put anything in there, but sometimes I do just to let them know, how I'm going to be promoting it. Then all you got to do is hit I'm not a robot and hit request affiliate approval. And then at that point, you just wait for the vendor to approve you. And then some vendors have like, you know, strict requirements, but most of them, if you go ahead and just do this, follow this right here, you'll be approved. Just give it some time. All right. So now let's say, for instance, the time has went by and you got approved. This is what you see. This is what you will see when you get approved. So boom, I'm going to hit get links and then it's going to pull this up. Now here is my affiliate link. So when you click this and yours shows up like that, that'll be your affiliate link. All you're going to do is hit Control C or Command C depending on what you're on. And all you're going to do is just post your link right there. Don't open the link up. All I'm doing is I'm just putting that there for now. All right, so how are you now going to go out there and sell this product? Well, here we go. This tool I like to call Lookup ID. Okay, now this tool is very powerful because what it allows you to do is literally type in the different niches of people who are going to want what you have to offer. Well, since in this case, let's just say that this is the link for my Facebook tool. Well, I know business owners need leads. They need targeted leads. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to my tool and I'm going to type in specific business owners, right? So let's just say I wanted to type in realtors. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the search button by using the tool, and it's going to show me nothing but realtors. Watch this, guys. Give it a minute. It's been a little bit slow at the moment. And it is still okay. So there we go. Now pay attention in right about here. You see this? It says realtor at Weechert Realtors. Then you got realtor again, real estate coach, realtor, street marketing. That's a little bit different. Realtor professional, sales associate, realtor. So you can see all of these people are realtors. So what I could literally do is I can send them a friend request manually. There's two ways that I do this, right? There's a manual way and there's a way that you can automate it. All right, so I could just send them a request, and as they're requesting me, as they're accepting my request, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building a connection with these people. I'm going to be having some conversations. I'm going to be figuring out what their problem is. All right, let me give you a little bit some tips. So when you're talking to these people, you're not necessarily trying to pitch them. What you're doing is you're finding out what problems they're having. 9 times out of 10, most business owners, they need more traffic. 9 times out of 10. So this is why I know that this product was going to do as good as it's done for me, and it's going to continue to scale up. Now, I know realtors need more eyes. They need more eyes, right? They want more business. So when I talk to these people, I may be asking them questions like, what's the biggest struggle that you have in your business right now? Right? When they tell me that, if they tell me they need more traffic, I know right then those are buying signs. They're telling me, hey, I need more leads. I need more eyeballs, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to train them on how to build a targeted list of people. While on Facebook, we know you can only have up to 5,000 friends, and then your followers will keep going, right? So I'm going to build them a list of people who actually are interested in what it is that they have to offer, right? So I would literally, like I said, have that conversation with them. And the things that you want to hit on is what we like to call, we use this, in sales, is just form, right? So family, you talk about family. You talk about occupation, what it is that they do. We know that they're a realtor, right? Recreation, what are they doing, on the recreational side of things? And then the last thing is motivation. What motivates them, right? Those are different things that you want to hit on when you're talking to people just in general. This doesn't really have too much. This doesn't really necessarily focus in on this video so much. This is just like a general thing. All right. So that's what I would do as far as going to find business owners. So that's just one example. So let's say, maybe I don't want renters. Maybe I want to help plumbers build a more targeted audience. So I may put plumbing. And let's just see what pops up for plumbing. Okay, it's a little bit slow, guys. And it's still slow. Okay, so here we go. Plumber. HVAC tech and sales. works at UK Plumbing, right? You know, this person 9 times out of 10, they want to get more clients so they can make more money. Plumbing again. Works at Rooter Ranger Plumbing, right? So this person is an employee from what it sounds like. Let's see, Mike Scott Plumbing. So some of these could be like actual business owners that have their own plumbing business. So you may see plumbing in there, and then sometimes they can work for a company. It really depends, right? So when you're talking to them, you're going to be figuring these things out anyway. So it won't be of surprise to you if they say, hey, I'm an employee, or I'm doing this on my own. Right? So the key here is to find out what they're struggling with in their business and fix it with your product, right? And if they can't do it, if they don't have the time to train, if they don't have the time for you to train them, you can become a consultant and charge them to build out their page, right? There's so much money in this, guys, so much. All right, so that's another example. But what this tool allows you to do is literally pinpoint and target people. Just like, for example, people who live in Texas and they like, people who live in, you know, wherever and they were born in, people who live in and they work at this place. This is a very powerful tool. I've actually done a training right here on my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to use this tool better, then definitely check that video out. But if you want to go really in depth with it, I can definitely train you. The only thing I require that you do is just to pick up the Facebook tool, because these two work as one. I use the Facebook tool to automate my adding friends. So how when I pulled up, like for example here, let's just type realtor again. When I type realtor and it pulled up all of those realtors, let me close this out. When it pulled up all of those realtors, what I would have had to do then, like I said, there's a manual tool and there's automated. What I could do is I can manually add these people, but of course, who wants to just sit there and just keep adding friends manually, right? So what the tool does, right? Let me go up here and I want to type in realtors in this box, and I'm going to show you what I can do with the automated tool, if it decides to ever load, because right now it is not loading. All right, so let me just give you an idea, right? I'm gonna just show you what I can do with the specific tool. Okay, so this is really acting slow right now. I don't really like that. Let's go to home, and I guess we'll just wait, because man, this is just ridiculously slow. Come on now. Okay, there we go. There we go. I don't know what was going on, guys. All right, so once everything loads here, I don't know why my stuff is acting real slow. All right, so let's just say that's not a very good example for the amount of engagement. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, any day now. All right, so let's just say, for example, this was 5,000 likes, reactions versus just the 5 that it is. Well, give me a sec. So what I would do is I would use my Facebook tool to target these people. I mean, this isn't a good example. This is just a random ad. But if this was a targeted ad of, let's just say, for instance, business owners, right? And I know that I have a tool that can help them get more leads, and they're commenting and reacting to a post that says, hey, you need more leads or something like that, and there's a bunch of them. I would literally go over here, use my Facebook tool, I would hit the add friends button, and watch what happens up here. I would put a delay in there for 20 seconds, and if it was 5,000 people, I would literally put, let's be conservative, right? Let's say I want to send out 300 friend requests, and it would send out to 300 people right here, friend requests. And then by the next morning, I'm going to get at least 20% of those people to actually accept my request. Once that happens, what I do is I then make a connection. I find out what their problem is. I solve their problem with my product, and boom, I make money just like that, guys. And I know it sounds, I make it sound easy, but if you don't practice this every day, it's not going to be easy for you. You're just going to get, you're going to feel like, you're going to feel overwhelmed, first off, because you're talking to so many people, and then you're going to be getting rejected if you don't practice on how to solve a person's problem. That's what it's all about, guys. So that's the basis of what I do to promote products on Facebook, whether it's with Jvzoo or it's with ClickBank or any type of product. This is how I do it, guys. This is a duplicatable way to do it because not only do they have this where they can pinpoint anybody, well, now they have the tool, right? They got this tool, and you can add the friends on automation rather than you just doing it this way and then you add them manually. So it's up to you on how you want to go ahead and go forward with that. All right, so that's how you're going to be able to promote products right here on Facebook using Jvzoo. Hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Now, for the people who are interested in getting my #1 recommended tool that I use, that I literally dominate every business in, and I want to show you how you can get it for free. Okay, the way that you're going to be able to get it for free is if you sell 2 of them, which I would train you how to do this, guys. I train my team and they make sales. They make sales pretty consistently, okay? Now, if you want to be able to do that and make this tool free, all you have to do is sell 2 of them, and I'm going to train you on how you can do that, all right? You sell 2, the tool is free. Now you're going to be getting unlimited leads for free, okay? So with that being said, hopefully you got some value. As I said before, give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.